Italy.
Sisyphus was the son of the Aeolus, the god of the winds. And also he was one of the most resourceful men in the world. So much that he could even fool Zeus, Death and Pluto. Sisyphus every morning climbed to a really high rock. From there he could see everything, as he observed everyone's moves. One day he saw Zeus stealing the beautiful daughter of the river's god, Asopos. Her name was Aegina.
Oh my God, she's beautiful. Zeus.
The unhappy man started looking for his precious daughter everywhere, but no one saw her never, and no one had nothing to say.
Ah, I'll go to Sisyphus.
Who are you?
Hey man, I'm Asopos. And I'm looking for my daughter.
Why did you come to me? How should I know?
They told me that you know everything.
I know nothing.
So, boy, I'm sure that you know everything. Please, help me
come
with
on.
you.
I can't say you. I can't say you.
Ah.
I will be punished. Come on. You should go.
I have a very nice present for you.
Oh, no, don't bother.
But it's very nice. You
No,
will
no.
like it.
You can go back.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
If you don't like it,
Yes?
I don't know what.
Okay.
But I'm sure that you like it.
Okay.
I'm sure that you're thirsty. So,
Oh, it's nice.
so who did this?
Zeus, of course. Oh. No, not Zeus. Not Zeus. Not Zeus. You didn't hear that from me. Zeus did nothing. I don't know anything. Zeus didn't take your daughter. No.
Thank you, boy. Now I know where is my daughter at least. I know that she's alive.
I'm dead.
But it wasn't so difficult for Zeus to find out who betrayed him, so he called Death, the god of war.
He betrayed me! Death! Please, go find him and kill him. Lead his soul to Hades. Sisyphus,
Oh, hello, Death.
I'm here to take your soul.
Oh, come on. Come on, why? We're friends. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm out of here.
What the? What a blasphemy! What did you do? Everything! You did everything wrong! Get up! Go find Pluto! Find Pluto and kill him! You have to kill Sisyphus! He betrayed me!
After a long time, Sisyphus got old. He could not fool Death anymore, who guided him to Hades. And Pluton, in order to betray him, he condemned him to really cruel torture. He had to push a big stone every day in order to bring him to the top of the rock.
Katerina.
Not you again.
You fooled me again!
No, it was just a joke.
I have to take you with me!
Just a joke.
I need your soul.
Just one last favor, please. I beg you.
Tell me.
I need to speak with my wife. Can I do that?
No,
Please.
no, it's
I'm
impossible!
begging
You will fool
you.
me again!
No. Trust me. I
Just
say
one
the truth.
time.
Yeah. Thank you, Death. My dear wife, I have to say something to you. Okay. When I go to the underworld, you will not make any sacrifices. Okay? Not you, not the village, no one. You have to do this. If you love me, you have to do this. Think of our children. Okay, thank you. Dad.
Come there.
Come, Dad. Hello, Pluto.
Hello, my boy.
What's up? Okay, I have something to discuss with you. Come here. men should talk.
Yes, but don't touch me, I'm Pluto.
Okay, chill out. Okay, listen. I have a deal that we can make, and it will profit both of us. You know? So,
Okay, let me hear.
you let me go to the real world again, you let me free, and my village will make you the most sacrifices. You know, everything. All of the village. But, if you won't let me go, no one will do any sacrifices to you. So it's your choice. I don't know. Maybe I go now.
Wait. Let's
Okay, thank you.
let's have a discussion.
Yes. Yes. Now we're buddies? I'm sister, you can touch me.
No, I can, but I can let you go for a while. Okay, man?
What do you mean by that? Okay, I just take it.
Cheers.
I go now.
Pluton, in order to betray him, he condemns him to really cruel torture. He had to push a big stone every day in order to bring it to the
I'm
top
an
of
old
the rock.
man now. I'm very old and sick.
After a long time, Sisyphus got old.
Death
He could
come
not
take
pull-
me. I'm old. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay, let's go now. Yeah, I know. Hello there.
Hey, how are you? Long time no see, eh? Okay.
I'm not really happy to see you.
Now that you are old,
Yes.
let's play a game.
Okay, let's
A
try again.
really easy one. Okay. Let me check if we can do that.
Yes, of
So
course.
you have this rock. Come from here. No, from here. No, you rock here. Okay, this rock. Okay. You have to roll this rock.
What?
You roll it like roll it.
I'm like 1,000 years old.
I don't care. So you have to roll. It's an easy one. Trust me. So you have to roll it all up to the mountain. It's an easy, easy Japanese.
Okay, just one time, okay?
Just one time and then you're free.
He had to push this big stone every day in order to bring it to the top of the rock. But every time he reached to the top, the stone was smaller. So he had to do it
name of
again
Zeus?
and again.
Okay, why are you here? Okay, stay there now. Not again.
So that was his punishment.
Come on.
Who cares?
You everyone.
Come. It's an intercultural meet.
Yeah.
Also the lady of Sisyphus.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job, guys. Really good job.
Great.
And that's all, right?
No, we have Italy.
We have Italy still.
Okay, so let us
Lead the way.